Google Chrome not opening on laptop or crashing again and again, don't worry. In this video I will show you simple fixes that can solve most Chrome problems on Windows 11 and Windows 10. Let's get started. Before jumping to the tutorial, I request you to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. This is how you can support us. Step number 1. Fully close Chrome. We need to completely close Chrome, so right click on the taskbar and select Task Manager. Under the Processes tab, find the Google Chrome. If you see multiple Chrome processes, select them one by one, right click and select End Task. Now close the window and try to open the Chrome again. If it is not work, move to the step number 2. Restart your PC. Yes guys, sometimes Chrome crashes because of temporary memory issues. So save your work first. Now restart your laptop or PC. So once you restart, open the Chrome again. Step number 3. Disable hardware acceleration. If Chrome opens but crashes frequently, try this. Open Chrome. Now click on the 3 dots here in the top right corner. Select Settings. On the left side, you will find System menu. Click on that. Now you will find Use Graphics Acceleration when available. Disable it. And then close the Chrome and restart it again. Step number 4. Clear Chrome cache. If pages are not loading properly, we will clear broken cache files. Open the Chrome. Once open, press Ctrl plus Shift plus Delete together. Now in the Delete Browsing Data, go to the More and select All Time. Now check Browsing History, Cookies and other site data, Cached images and files, and other things you can select. So once you're done, hit Delete Data. Wait until cleaning finishes. Step number 5. Disable extensions. Sometimes bad extensions crash Chrome. Open the Chrome, click on the 3 dots here, then select Settings. In the left sidebar, you will find Extensions menu. Click on that. You need to remove or disable the bad extensions. Let me remove it. I don't need, or else you can disable the extensions. So now restart your Chrome in order to work this. Step number 6. Reset Chrome settings. If Chrome is still broken, we will reset Chrome completely. Open the Chrome again, go to the 3 dots here, then go to Settings. In the left sidebar you will find Reset Settings menu. Click on that. Click on Restore Settings to their original defaults. You can uncheck it and reset settings. This will not delete your bookmarks, and so not to worry. Close the window and reopen it. Step number 7. Reinstall Chrome. If nothing works, we will reinstall the Chrome. Go to the Windows search bar, search for Settings, open it. Go to the Apps, find Installed Apps. Now find the Google Chrome application. Here it is. Click on the 3 dot, then select Uninstall and uninstall. Okay, we have completely uninstalled it. After uninstallation, you should restart your PC. Then download and install the latest Chrome version again. And that's it guys. If this video helped to fix Chrome, please like this video, subscribe to Fix Office and comment which method worked for you. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.